Set on beautifully landscaped grounds on Common Fence Point, this custom-built New England home offers the best of coastal living. The wraparound deck offers unobstructed water views of Mount Hope Bay and the Mount Hope Bridge. The spacious, sun-filled interior boasts beautiful hardwood floors and an open living room with a gas fireplace that is great for entertaining. Enjoy spectacular views as you host meals in the dining room that opens directly into the kitchen with plenty of counter space and cabinets. Completing the first floor are 2 bedrooms, one of which is currently a family room with access to the deck and a full bath and laundry room. Multiple entrances allow you to walk out onto the wraparound deck that is an ideal setting to unwind alone or with guests. The second floor has a beautiful master suite with a vaulted ceiling and a spa-like bathroom featuring double sinks, a whirlpool tub, and a walk-in shower. The home office on this level is a great place to work or relax with its own views of the bay. Common Fence Point is a wonderful community that hosts concerts and a wealth of activities. Portsmouth is a lovely town on Aquidneck Island filled with renowned beaches and numerous marinas on the island. Explore the grounds at the Green Animals Topiary Garden or the Blythewald Mansion and be surrounded by remarkable scenery. Downtown Newport is less than 14 miles away. There you can shop up and down historic Thames Street. 30 minutes away is Providence, where you can enjoy the fantastic dining options and theaters. For more information, please visit the property website or call Beverly Chittum at area code 401-529-3247.